Thank you for joining me on this, my second video on my YouTube channel. But it will be the first actual video of the content that we're going to be making, which is to make games using Godot. So the first thing we need to do is, if you haven't done so, we need to install Godot. So let me walk you through that. What we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go to, okay, so the first thing we're going to want to do is go ahead and search for Godot, and we should be able to go to the website godotengine.org. That's Godot engine.org. And the window looks something like this. It'll give us the option to download the latest. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Just click on that. Now, because I have Windows, a Windows computer, it's going to give me this option to download Godot for Windows. If you have a Mac, it'll probably say download Godot for Mac. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Godot Engine. And here we got a little pop-up screen, and it'll ask me where I want to install the executable. To make it easy to find, I'm going to go ahead and install the executable to the desktop on my computer. You can install it anywhere you want. It's just easier for me to find. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Save, and this is going to download it to my desktop. And there we go. Let me go to my desktop here. All right, and it'll download this folder with a zipper. That means it's a zip file. So we're going to have to extract the files so we can run the software. So let's go ahead and right click on it, click on Extract All. And by default, it should extract a folder of the same name to wherever you downloaded to wherever you have the zip file located. In my case, it's on my desktop. So I'm just going to click on Extract. And we should be getting another folder here called, here we go, the folder called Godot 451. And again, you might have another version depending on when you're watching this video. As long as it's, Godot 45 whatever. It might even be 46 by the time that you're watching this video. But uh, here is where the executable is installed. So let's go ahead and now launch Godot. So all you got to do is just go into your folder where you extracted Godot, and this is the actual executable that launches the application. So let me double click on it. You might get a window like this. I trust that I downloaded the correct, a good software. So I'm going to click on More Info, and I'm going to click on Run Anyway. And here we go. Now, the reason why you're seeing all these files is because I actually had Godot installed on my computer before. So these are just some other projects that I had. You probably have something that is pretty empty right now. So don't worry about how mine looks. Just know that right now it'll probably be pretty empty. At this point, though, we're going to start, and we're going to follow the actual step-by-step instructions on how to install Godot. So let's go back to our documentation, and we are going to here to the getting started, and we're going to follow this, your first 2D game. Go to contents, and we're going to start right here with setting up the project. And you're not going to see the screen too much. I'm going to just basically go through the process. But if on your computer at home, uh, just have the documentation side by side. That's what I'm going to be doing. And I'm just going to be following my documentation over here as I run through the process of creating a game. So let's go ahead and get started.